Welcome to the first part of video tutorials on WebHarvy. In this part, we will see how WebHarvy can be easily configured to extract data from websites. Data extraction from websites using WebHarvy involves two stages, a configuration stage and a mining stage. In the configuration stage, we teach WebHarvy how to extract data, and in the mining stage, WebHarvy actually gets the data which we need based on the configuration which we created. So let's start by following an example. The first step is to load the page which contains the data to be extracted within WebHarvy's internal browser. WebHarvy's internal browser is just like any other normal browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You can enter and load websites, navigate links, perform searches, etc. In this example, we are trying to extract restaurant details from a Yellow Pages listings. So right now, we have loaded the page which displays the data which we need to extract. As you can see, in the status bar of the internal browser, there is a smart tooltip which displays additional articles and videos explaining the configuration process for the loaded website. This feature will be available for all popular websites. The next step is to start the configuration process. To start the configuration, click on the Start button under Home menu. Once you click the Start button, you are in configuration mode. The next step is to select the data which we need. Selecting a data which we need to extract is very simple. Just click on it, and WebHarvy will display a capture window which has various options. To capture the text of the item, click on the Capture Text button and provide a name for the field. As you can see in the Captured Data Preview area, WebHarvy has intelligently identified all subsequent restaurant names and filled them. You can select additional data from the page in similar fashion. Note that WebHarvy can also extract email addresses, website addresses, content from HTML, and also images, in addition to plain text. If you need to extract more data than what is displayed in the capture window, you can click on the Capture More Content option from the Quick Access toolbar or from under More Options. Click on the Capture More Content option, and WebHarvy will select more text from around the content which we initially clicked. You can also partially select data which is displayed in the capture window. For that, just select the required portion using mouse or keyboard and then click on the Capture Text button. Now if I scroll down to the bottom of this page, we can see that the restaurant listings spans over multiple pages. To teach WebHarvy to extract the selected data for all these pages, click on the Next Page link or the direct link to load page number 2. In this case, let's click on the Next Page link, and from the resulting capture window, click the Set as Next Page link option. We have now taught WebHarvy how to navigate multiple pages and extract the data which has been selected. Now let's see how WebHarvy can be made to follow each restaurant link to get additional data. To follow a link, click on the link and select the Follow this link option from the capture window. WebHarvy will now load the restaurant details page. Wait for the page to load, and once the page is loaded, you can select additional details from the page. Whenever the data which you need to extract is guaranteed to occur after a heading text, it is recommended to use the capture following text method. For this, instead of clicking directly on the text which you need to extract, click on the heading text and from the capture window, select the capture following text option from the quick access toolbar or from under more options. And then click the capture text button. After you have selected all required data from the details page, you can stop the configuration process. To stop the configuration process, click on the stop button. Now we have completed the configuration process. We can save the configuration as a file so that it can be run later, or it can also be edited by clicking on the edit configuration button. To run the configuration, click on the Start Mine button. Clicking the Start Mine button, WebHarvy will display a miner window. In the miner window, you can specify the number of pages to mine or click on the Mine All Pages option. Click the Start button to start the mining process. WebHarvy will now load the starting page for which we created the configuration and extract data from each of the restaurants from multiple pages. The extracted data will start to appear in the data table in the miner window. You can wait for the mining to be complete or click on the stop button to stop mining at any point. Once you have stopped mining or once the mining is complete, the mined data can be saved as a file or to a database. Click on the export button and WebHarvy gives you two options. Select the export as file option to export the captured data as an XML, Excel, CSV, TSV or JSON file. Select the export to database option to export the captured data to an SQL server. MS SQL Server, MySQL and Oracle database are supported. We hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our support whose link is in the description below. Thank you.